Goal: collect as many gems as there are switches. In this puzzle, you'll use a constant called switch counter to collect as many gems as there are switches. Like a variable, a constant is a named container that stores a value. However, the value of a constant cannot change while the program is running. You declare a constant using the word let instead of var, and you use it when you know that a value won't change. Declaring a constant. Let number 0 of tries equals 3. To solve this puzzle, you'll write conditional code that compares the value of a gem counting variable with switch counter, a constant that stores the number of switches that randomly appear in the puzzle. To compare these two values, use a comparison operator such as equals equals or equals. Declare a variable to track the number of gems collected. Compare the value of your gem counting variable with switch counter to determine when to stop collecting. First, the puzzle already gives us a constant that tells us the number of switches. After that, we need to create our own variable to keep track of how many gems the character collects during the puzzle. Next, observe the puzzle layout. The character must keep moving forward and turn whenever the right side is not blocked. To make this easier, we create a function that handles both actions. Inside this function, the character moves forward, and then a check is made to see if the right side is open. Character turns right. After preparing this helper function, we use a while loop to keep the character moving until the number of gems collected matches the number of switches. Inside this loop, the character uses the movement function, keeps checking for gems, and whenever a gem is found, it is collected and the gem counter increases by 1. Once the loop finishes, the character stops because the required number of gems has been collected. When you run the full logic, the character moves correctly, turns at the right time, and gathers all the gems successfully. And that's it! You've created a clean and logical walkthrough using movement, conditions, and loops. Great job learning Swift programming! Thanks for watching. This tutorial was created by @mums7.